In the first chapter, early human life. In the first chapter, we have studied about the beginning and development of early human life in Stone Age. Okay, in the last means the first chapter, early human life, we have studied about the beginning and development of early human life in Stone Age. And also, we study in the last phase of Stone Age, cultivation have started in river valleys. In the last phase of Stone Age, cultivation has started in river valleys. Okay, and they settled down here. Then they are developed in civilization that is the river valley civilization. Okay, the title of second chapter, the river valley civilization. Okay, the title of second chapter is the river valley civilization. All civilization developed in this period. Okay, all civilization developed in this period were located in the banks of the river. In this chapter, the river valley civilization, we study four river valleys civilization. First, Indus Valley civilization, Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, and last Chinese civilization. All these civilizations are called as Bronze Age civilization. All these civilizations or these four civilizations are called the Bronze Age civilization. Why we call this civilization Bronze Age civilization? Why we call this civilization Bronze Age civilization? In Stone Age means first chapter. What is the meaning? Stone Age, or what is the definition of Stone Age? In Stone Age, people use stone tools. Okay. In Stone Age, people use stone tools. So, we call that period Stone Age. In Stone Age, people use stone tools. So, we call that period Stone Age. Then why we call this river valley civilization Bronze Age? Why we call this civilization Bronze Age civilization? Do you think about why we call Bronze Age civilization? In Bronze Age, people use bronze as the metal to make tools. Okay. In Bronze Age, people use bronze as the metal to make tools. So we call this period Bronze Age. Got it? Why call Bronze Age? In Bronze Age, people use bronze as the metal to make tools. Okay, bronze. They use bronze metals. They use bronze metal to make tools. Okay, so we call this period Bronze Age. So simple. Okay, why these people use bronze to make their tools? Why they use bronze to make their tools? In the last chapter, that means the early human life, we have studied about the Chalcolithic period. Okay, think about Chalcolithic period. In this period itself, people began to use copper. Okay, we study in Chalcolithic period, people become to use copper. Okay, people become to use copper as the metal to make tools. They use copper as the metal to make tools. Which period? Chalcolithic period. Okay. The important limitation of this copper. Limitation of this copper. Limitation. What is the limitation of this copper? The copper tools cannot be used on hard surface. These copper tools cannot be used on hard surface and it wear off speedily. അതായത് കട്ടിയുള്ള പ്രതലങ്ങളിലും അതുപോലെ വേഗത്തിൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കാനൊന്നും ഈ കോപ്പർ ടൂൾസ് കൊണ്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞിരുന്നില്ല. In order to overcome this limitation, they invented a new metals that is bronze. Okay. In order to overcome this limitation, they invented a new metal that is bronze. Okay. That is called Bronze Age civilization. First of all, let's we study our own civilization, that is River Valley civilization. Okay.